Hi guys, so today I will be making sliders out in blue. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. So, let me go my mixing tool, hot, and hot. And soap. It don't matter what soap you use. And put a soap in your hand, only for a little. Just put it around. Every time I put salt in there, it's coming in together. It don't matter what type of soap that you use. So keep stirring. If it mess up like it is now, pour more soap in there. Then stir. If you want to put a little air freshener, it's coming up. Oh, I got it in my heart. It's actually not stretchy yet, so I'm going to be stirring it with my hands. I'm going to pour a little water. That's enough water. Then stir it up. Alright, I'm gonna go see does she have any food coloring. So she doesn't have any food coloring. Since the knife isn't working, I'm gonna use this this is how it looks. So I guess we need to keep on staring. It's actually slime now. I gotta keep on stirring this so it gets slime. A half a spoon. Don't put that much. Alright. I'm gonna keep on stirring. Alright. I'm gonna have to put this in the freezer for 5 minutes. I gotta put y'all in my phone.